YouTube. Yo, Hollywood Squad. Yo, I know it's been a minute. It's been so much going on, and trust me, man, I apologize. I deleted all the videos and put up back some videos, which I think I'm gonna delete again because I say, you know what, I want to start fresh. But I apologize. It's just been so much going on. So like I said, I'm gonna start vlogging. I'm gonna start pranks. I mean, I really miss doing this. There's just been so much stuff going on, so I had to take the time off to do what I needed to do and then start back over fresh. And this time, I ain't gonna stop. I'm going straight, non-stop. Pranks, vlogs, everything on this channel. I might create a vlog channel eventually, but I said to myself, you know what, just do everything on this one channel and that's it. It's kind of, I also have a fishing channel if you guys want to subscribe. The link is going to be down below where I go out and, you know, I fish, I record it, and I post it to the channel. And I mean, people like watching stuff like that. Nature stuff, right? Okay. So guess what? This morning, I'm going to prank my wife. She's supposed to be going to do her nails and she made an appointment. But I'm going to call her in the room and say to her, listen, my barber is going out of town. He's not coming back for the next 2 weeks. And I need to go get a haircut before you go do your nails, so you gotta cancel your appointment. I know for a fact that she's gonna get upset because she's been telling me from last week that she wanted to go do her nails, and I said, okay, no problem, you know, just let me know when. And I already told her, she already told me she wanna go Saturday morning. I said, no problem, when I get home, you know, I just take a nap, and once I take a nap, guess what? You can go and do your nails, that's fine. But this morning, I'm gonna turn all hell loose and let her know she can't go. She gotta reschedule that appointment because I gotta cut my hair. Guys, please, watch the entire video. Hit the like button. Share the video if you enjoyed this video. And I'm asking you, please, turn the post notification on, okay? There's a lot of stuff I'm gonna be showing you guys. Yo, trust me, it's gonna be very good. The content is gonna be good, and you guys are gonna enjoy the videos and stuff like that. Believe me when I tell you. Okay? So I'm on my way home right now. As soon as I get home, we're gonna get right into it. And I know she gonna be up like miserable because she just got up, so she got to get a lot of stuff intact and stuff like that before she leaves. Even though I'm going to be helping her, but I'm going to act like I'm not going to help. I just want to get the hell out of the house. That's it. All right? So just pray that she don't thump me on my face or something like that. She don't knock me over or try to, you know, do something evil to me. Well, she ain't really like that unless she get pissed off. She beats me now and then. Nah, I'm joking. So we're gonna get into it. Sorry about the sunshade. I just wanted to do this while I was, you know, whatever, so I could tell you guys. All right, so here we go right now. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys when I get home. It's gonna be epic. Trust me, it's gonna be epic. Believe me when I tell you. All right, so get ready for share it. Hit the like button and comment below what was your favorite part of the skit. All right, I'm glad to be back, man. Dun. That's why I can't fight tonight. See that? See how I punch? Alright. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm gonna buy a dozen beautiful roses. Because I nice her up and everything, you know? I nice her up with the roses first and then tell her and see what she say. So that I got even make. I just like say she'll probably think somebody try to bribe her with the roses or something like that, but I just like bring her flowers sometimes. So right now, I give her the flowers. That's how it is when you mind your business. You say you don't mind your business. And that happened to you. So basically, I give her the flowers. I try to nice her up and see what she say. Alright? Yo, let me just pray so she don't flip out on me. I'm so forward. So guys, I'm upstairs now. I just take a shower. See the flowers them, yeah? I sneak them upstairs because she in the back room. I clean up the kids them room. So I gotta hide them from her. So when she come in, I just gotta hand them to her. And then I said to her, I said, listen, you have to go cancel your appointment and things like that because I want to go to the barber today. I want to get a shape up and I have some bump in the back of my head when my barber always get rid of for me sometime when them come up. So I just want to see what Shaggy react because a long time like Mr. Shaw planned this from last week and things like that, and she needs some time to herself because she been with the kids all week. Every woman need time to themselves. So man, if you're out there and you're working and your wife is spending a lot of time with the kids and stuff like that, make sure you give her some time to herself. Okay? Every woman need time to themselves. Zine? Alright. This is going to be epic. Hollywood Squire MC is back. Zine? Alright. If you don't like this, you know, smash the like button and comment for some more because I'm telling you something. I got hard that time, yeah. Trust me. Alright? Watch it now. I'm going to set up the camera. Alright, guys, so I change the plan. I wait until she completely get dressed and then I gotta tell her something I forgot about. So she completely dressed right now, alright? This make it even worse because I don't try to upset even more. So now I gotta call her in, give her the flowers and then I say, but wait, I wish I go dress up like that. And that's when I gotta lick it with her and say to her, I say, listen, I forgot the barber, so I have to cancel that. Alright? Alright. Yo, it's gonna be so funny. Watch it right now. Watch it right now. Watch it right now. Watch it right now. Doom, 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 doom. Alright guys, see the flowers in that color right now. Nadia?
Yes?
Come here now. Get some flowers today.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So I just applied that for where I go.
Remember I told you I was going to do my nails because they broke and they were hurting me. So I'm going to get them done.
Oh, you have to cancel that because I got a barber.
What?
I told you before that. No, actually I didn't tell you. I'm sorry. I thought I did, but I know you told me about the nails, but you have to cancel the nail thing today. I know say I wait a week, but my barber is leaving in a few weeks and I want to go get my hair cut and he's going to get the bumps them out of my head for me on the back. I might use the scalpel and take them out. So you have to cancel that because let's tell her I say yeah, reschedule or something like that.
See, this is what I'm talking about. I've been made my schedule to do my nail. I told you a long time ago that I needed to do my nails.
Well, you have to break the schedule, that's all.
Why do I have to break the schedule? And you can't get, how is he going to use a scalpel to remove bumps off your head?
He does it all the time, doesn't matter. You don't need a surgeon to do nothing like that.
Yeah,
the fact of the matter is, I want to go today and that's just it.
No, that's not going to work. You're going to have to go another time because I have to do my nails. And I told you a week ago that I needed to do my nails.
I understand, say tell me a week ago, but listen to me now. I've been working all week. I'm going to go today. That's what I tell you, sir. So I'm going to go today and that's it.
No, I have to do my nails.
Alright?
I have to do my nails.
I don't care if you got to do my nails. I got to get my hair cut.
Yes,
so me, I'm going to get my hair cut today.
So why can't you do it after I come back?
Because I don't want to do it after you come back or whatever.
But why
I want to go do it now.
Cancel my reservation that I made a week ago so that you could go do your hair.
It's always everything like you want to do. It's always like everything you. I don't want to go after. I want to go now. I am going to go now. That's it.
Why can't you go after?
Because by the time you go outside, you're going to go do this, that. By the time you come back, and next month. So I want to go right now. That's why. That's all.
Oh.
Yo, I'm not talking. Yeah, I'm very serious.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious?
As serious as can be, I'm very serious right now.
But I'm saying I need to fix my nail. It's not gonna take a long time. After I do my nail, then you could do.
Don't
you
care.
Could go and do your hair.
I don't care.
I care.
I don't care if you care. Okay. Alright? I don't care if you care. So you have to go get undressed and stay with the kids until I come back. That's just it. Sorry.
You know what? That's why you buy your flowers, right? Because you want to nice me up so you can go. Take your flowers.
What are you talking
go
about?
Where you want
like for?
Go where you want to go. When you come back, don't act, don't see me, don't talk to me because I'm not talk to you.
But where are the flowers coming from?
Because the reason why you fight because you want nice and say you can't do what you want to do. I don't want it. I told you what I wanted to do, and you're going to tell me to do something else. So go where you want to go, and when you come back, I'm not here.
I never
I'm
buy
here,
no flowers
but
because I'm trying to nice you up.
All right.
What is wrong with you? Yo, come here for a second, man.
What?
It's a prank. I was just pranking you. So
Wow.
you can go and do your nails. It's a prank.
Right. Okay.
It's a prank. So you can take up the flowers them off of the floor. You don't have to dash them on the floor. Flowers them probably mash up to you.
It was a prank.
I wouldn't do that to you. Okay?
Yeah, because I find it strange.
Okay. Guys, I don't know if she didn't answer me or something, but normally she get more upset than that. But I don't know if she didn't answer me or something like that. So I think this is an epic fair prank. You know something prank or something?
No, I didn't.
Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button, comment, whatever. More videos will come. And big up on yourself. You don't know. Hollywood. Boom!